Wudhu by immersion. Irtamasi Wudhu. Irtamas means to place under water. Irtamasi Wudhu means putting one's face and arms under water with the intention of performing Wudhu. The parts of the body that are washed in Wudhu must be taken out of the water from top to bottom. So, at the beginning, one should make his intention, then place his face in the water from his forehead to his chin, and then after the water reaches all parts of the face, he should take his face out of the water in the same order with the intention of Wudhu. While washing the arms, one must put their arms in the water starting from his elbow and ending at the fingertips. Then, after ensuring that the water has reached all the parts of their arm, he should take his arm out of the water in the same order. After one is finished washing his right and left arm, he should wipe his head and feet as is normally done in Wudhu. One of the cases where Irtamasi Wudhu is useful is when one has an open wound that will not stop bleeding. In this case, when one puts the part of the body where the wound is underwater, it will become tahir, and before more blood comes out of the wound, the part would be washed. He can then cover the wound and finish performing Wudhu. Of course, one may wash some parts regularly and some parts by immersion.